After the first stage of disassembly and cleaning presented in part 1 in the previous video, I reached the point where the base of the steamer trunk had to be redone from scratch. The following step was one most time-consuming processes: the removal, one by one, of the small nails that supported the reinforced cardboard edges of the bottom of the chest. Even if the removal of several dozen small nails was ultimately a satisfying step after cleaning them during the video, another step which followed that I would not recommend to those who do not have a lot of patience, straightening them one by one so they can be put back together. I will now let you follow the progress of the process, and I will only intervene with a few specifications during this video. I hope you enjoy it. rust and dirt. And considering their fragility after at least 100 years of exposure to various atmospheric conditions, I chose to try a handy method, which I have seen online over time, and which should be as little invasive as possible on the iron. I left them overnight, and smiling, I can tell you that I did not find them melting, as I have seen in other videos. It turned out to be a good choice. To replace the destroyed bottom of the steamer trunk, I bought a piece of plywood, the same thickness as the original one that was destroyed, of 8 millimeters. The next stage was the application of black, thin cardboard sheets, with a grain close to the original one, which I hardly found at a store dedicated to supplying artists. They were glued with moisture-resistant glue. And considering the big surface and reaction time between the two materials, it was necessary to smooth the air bubbles, which I did with a steam iron. The coincidence consists that after 100 years, when the ships on which these steamer trunks were transported operated on steam, its restoration in 2023 will be done with another innovative steam-based tool. The side strips, which strengthened the bases of the steamer trunk, were completely destroyed. I ordered compressed cardboard, from which I cut to the dimensions of the old ones, both the lengths and the widths, then on their center. I made consecutive cuts along the entire length at a distance of 1 millimeter, and I moistened them to be able to bend them at a 90 angle without breaking. In future parts, I will come back with the restoration of the interior, the steamer trunk lid, the side parts and the leather handles, as well as the restoration of the other elements that required attention, and all until the end of the restoration. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.